there she is. Finished her up. Let me get all this shit out of the way. The State of the Union address is on. Cabling on.
One last point about education. Today there are hundreds of thousands of students in our schools.
We'll just let that run. We'll see the relief kick on in a minute.
I ask this Congress to pass it as soon as possible.
This thing's sweet, man. I finally got some air in here. I'm stoked. See if I can get children.
And I would only sign deals that keep faith with American workers and promote
I need a bigger motor, but I got a 2-horse motor. It works enough for me.
And that's what I intend to do as we pursue agreements with Panama and Colombia and continue our...
I just got it rigged up to a switch for now.
That's why our food is safe to eat, our water is safe to drink, and our air is safe to breathe. It's why we have speed limits.
Let me turn that down.
That's why last year we put in place consumer protections against hidden fees and penalties by credit cards.
It's not so bad tonight. Anyway, now I get to use my air tools. Some of the ones that I couldn't use, some chisels. Just some random shit. So as you can see, we painted it. So as you can see, we painted it flat black. Get some stickers on it later. 30 gallon. Got the shroud. 2 horsepower motor. There's the fill. I went ahead and cut a piece of exhaust pipe off an old motorcycle. Just to fit. Pressure switch. That really doesn't work, another gauge. Now this setup right here that came off of the air gun had the regulator on it, and that's the relief for the piston, which goes back up and around, and it goes down and back into the system. What that does is, instead of having 100 pounds for this piston to kick off on, it releases the pressure. You hear it build up. Now there's 100. Well, there's 90 pounds on the piston head to restart when I want to start this. If I turn, that releases it, just so the motor don't have to try so hard, you know. So this guy's gonna get mounted. I might hardwire it in, but I might mount it, you know, wherever I decide. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. But this is to get it going. I got a bunch of cord on it. I'm probably gonna stick it in that corner over there. And just wire it right in. Put another box. Or just put a double switch in, I don't know yet. But that's it. I know it was a while, man. I had it done a week ago. It's been 3 weeks since I started it. But I'm stoked. So that was a free one. Any questions? Just hit me up. This motor here, this is a motor that came off the old compressor. This was 1.5 horses. I had to rig it. For some reason it wouldn't work for me. I even welded on a stud to extend the shaft so it would fit beyond the shroud. The footprint wasn't even working right. The footprint, I had to re-drill holes, which sucked. This is a little cleaner system. It's got the tensioner. It's not the tensioner, but it's got room for a tension. The other one just was straight mounted, which made it difficult to get the proper tension on the belt. So we got a 2.5 inch pulley, and I don't know how fucking big that one is, but I'm kind of backing myself into a wall here. But I went ahead and did some bumper chrome on it. And we'll get some stickers, sticker the shit out of it with just a bunch of whatever. If you guys got a shop, you want to have me sticker it up, man. I look at some of your guys' videos, man. I don't talk to you guys enough. I don't subscribe to a lot of people, but believe me, I watch all your tapes, all your videos. Some of you guys in the garage, some of you car auto body guys, custom painters, blacksmiths, you know, PC builders. I'm into all that shit, but I'm in the garage a lot, so this is what I've been doing lately. Anyway, my new camera here, which is better than my other camera, 720p. I want to get a 1080, so I'm going to return this one. I put a test video up on this. You can check my page. I don't know, I was just fucking around. That's the day I got it, so I've been trying to keep it as clean as possible. So I can return it.